Good evening, students. I'm going to tell you about place value system today. So we have learned about place values of 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers in our previous lecture. So place value system, there are two types of place value system. One is the Indian place value system and second is the international place value system. So one is the Indian place value system, another is the international place value system. So Indian place value system is basically used in Indian subcontinents. Right? Indian subcontinents means in India we use Indian place value system. In Pakistan we also use Indian place value system, is being used for counting and all, and also in Bangladesh. But what about other countries and continents? Their international place value system is being used for numerations work, right? So Indian place value system consists of basically 7 regions, 7 parts. I'm talking about Indian place value system first. So Indian place value system is consisting of 7 parts. We'll start from the right one. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So these 7 parts are divided into 3 things, 3 major parts. One is the ones, second is thousands, and third is lakhs. So if you are saying that there are 7 parts in a numeration for the Indian place value system, that is also perfectly fine. If you are saying that there are only 3 parts of the Indian place value system, that is also perfectly fine. Why I have said that there are 3 parts of this Indian place value system? Because ones, tens and hundreds, they form one part. They fall under the category of ones. 1000 and 10,000, they are the second part. This is first part, this is second part, and they form the second part, thousands. All right. And lakhs and 10 lakhs, this is the third part, and this form lakhs. Fine. Is it clear? So now if I want to write a particular number in Indian place value system, suppose the number is this. Okay, so now you need to put it in Indian place value system. So as you know that in Indian place value system there are 7 places. So you will write all the 7 places: ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Always start putting the place values from the right side digit first. So right side first digit 6, which is on ones, then 2 is on tens, 1 is on 100, then 1000, 5 is on thousands place, and 2 is on 10,000 place. So how to count it? So as I say, this is one part, this is another part. So 25,000, because it forms 1000. All right, 25,126. I hope Indian place value system is clear to you now. Now, which is the another place value system? International place value system. So in Indian place value system there were 7 parts or 3 parts: ones, thousands or lakhs. But in international place value system, 9 places are there in international place value system. Starting from the beginning: ones, tens, 100, okay, 1000, 10,000. Since till 10,000, Indian place value system and international place value system are the same. Now beyond 10,000, in international place value system we don't have lakhs. In international place value system we have 100,000. We have 100,000. All right, clear? Now in international place value system we don't have lakhs, so here we have million. We have millions. million, 100 million. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, it's not 100 million, it's 10 million. 10 million and it is 100 million. So count it. They are 9. Alright. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now it is divided in three parts. This is first part. Now this is second part and this is third part. Okay, so this is international place value system. I'll show you the difference over here. See, in Indian place value system we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here it is same, lakhs, and here 10 lakhs. Right? Fine. So they are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is Indian place value system. And international place value system, they are 11. So this is first group, this is second group, this is third group. You can write it, you can learn it in this way also. International place value system is 3, 3, 3. It has a group of 3 places. First group is having 3 places, second group is having 3 places, and third group is also having 3 places. And Indian place value system, the first group is having 3 places. Okay, the second group is having 2 places, the third group is having 2 places. So you can learn it 3, 2, 2. Alright, I hope this is clear to you. Now how to write a particular number in international place value system. Suppose the number is this. So start writing the places of international place value system. Ones, tens, 100, yes, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000. Okay, million, 10 million and 100 million. Start putting the digits from the right. 8 on ones, 6 on tens, 2 on 100, 1 on 1000, right? 5 on 10,000 and 2 is on 100,000. Okay, now see, this first group form ones, this second group forms thousands. Okay, now how to read it? You have to read it 251,000, 251,268. So we'll put a comma here after first group. Okay, so in this way you can differentiate the Indian place value as well as the international place value system.